सर
मुझे कोई सिखाने की कहने की बात नहीं।
सही, एक बार आपको अनुरोध करूं।
मैं आपसे
एक सेकंड। नो, प्लीज टेक योर सीट।
If you suspend today's business, we can explain because the Adani
One second, sir.
regarding this bribery case is affecting the entire
Nothing
country.
you want. The eyes of it, the motion is adopted. Honorable members, I have received 13 notices under Rule 267. The notices from Dr. John Bitas, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, Shri Neeraj Dangi, Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Shri Sanjay Singh, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain seek discussion on the alleged corruption, bribery, and financial irregularities of the Adani Group. Shri Santosh Kumar P, Shri Raghav Chadha have sought discussion on the ongoing violence and killings in Manipur. Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Shri Harish Biran have sought discussion on violent clashes during survey in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. Further, Dr. V. Sivadasan has sought discussion on the need for special assistance to address the plight of people of Wayanad. Honorable members would recall that in this regard, I had given my detailed ruling on Rule 267 on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022. The same was reiterated by me on a number of occasions. These notices do not conform to the directives imparted by the chair in this behalf. I have not been able to persuade myself to agree to the same. I would urge the honorable members, as I indicated in my opening observations, we are in a very particular period, 75th year of adoption of the Indian Constitution. I would urge the honorable members to keep that in mind, and we exemplify highest standard not only for 1.4 billion people, but for the world also, that we will work in decorum with devotion and commitment to fructify aspirations of our people. Matters raised with permission. One second. Honorable members, please bear with me. There was not even a second's gap. LOP could hardly rise. We have someone sitting there. LOP ko bolne do. Let us not dilute the status of leader of the opposition. Kharge ji, please. Please. Kharge ji.
Sir,
as a very senior parliamentarian and a leader, you are aware that my ruling on this issue has been given. I would seek your earnest cooperation, particularly in the background that matters to you more than anyone else, that we are in the 75th year of adoption of our
Sir, 75th year है, उसमें मेरा भी हिस्सा 54 years है, तो मुझे कोई सिखाने की कहने की बात नहीं।
सही, एक बार आपको अनुरोध करूं।
मैं आपसे
एक सेकंड। नो, प्लीज टेक योर सीट। नो, in all humility, from the chair, all I said, you know it more than anyone else. I paid you the highest compliment.
Okay,
Still
sir.
you are taking exception.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, sir.
Thank you.
I'm
Sir,
hurt. This is hardly an approach. I have commended his contribution.
Thank you.
I have praised it in the same
सर, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मसला
What
है.
to say, sir? Not on 267.
267.
No, that my ruling is over.
No, it's a very important, sir. ये देखिए,
No,
ये
you are questioning ruling of the
sir,
chair.
if you suspend today's business, we can explain because the Adani
1 second, sir.
regarding this bribery case is affecting the entire
Nothing
country.
is on record.
And
Nothing is going on record.
no, entire
Nothing
country.
is going on record.
And
Nothing is going on record.
consistently,
Nothing is going on record.
Modi ji is supporting him.
Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. No, sir.
Modi ji supporting him. And दुनिया में
List of matters raised with permission. Srimati J.B. Mathur Isam.
Sir, considering the seriousness of the matter, sir, considering the seriousness of the matter.
Not availing. Mr. Vaiko, you came to this house in 1974.
Whole country is concerned about the matter Mr. Garge has raised.
No, nothing is going on record, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, you said your contribution is for 54 years. Let the people get benefit of it. Nothing else will go on record. I am continuing. Sri A.A. Rahim. Sri Mujibullah Khan. Sri Jairam Ramesh. Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi. First you go to your seat. No. If you don't go to your seat, you must learn it. No, you are not on your seat. You are not on your seat. No, are you on your seat? No, sir, I will not listen to you. You are not in your seat. This is indecorous. Should not shout. Avail the opportunity. Is it a challenge that you are a member parliament? Will come to the well? No, I'm so sorry. No. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11:45.